Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to fix this types of error message. Unable to execute Angular CLI command in Visual Studio Code terminal. I mean to say that you cannot apply Angular commands in Visual Studio terminal window. Okay. If I apply ng serve command like that, so I got an error message that is the PS1 related message. When I apply ng-serve command in the command and terminal window of your Visual Studio Code, I got the following error message while executing ng-serve from Visual Studio Code. So the error message is like that: the path is npm ng.ps1 cannot be loaded because a running script is disabled on this system. Just right click on your Windows and just open terminal window in admin account and execute this command, that is set-execution policy space remote signed. Just after apply this, you know that just after that hit enter hit, and you can apply any command in your Angular. So when I apply Angular and it worked fine. So I got this error message earlier, so I decide that I want to help you. Okay, so I decide to create a video for you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Angular.